conduct the examination, but the result should not be declared without leave of this court.
You are appearing for whom?
For MPNRC, Nurses Registration Council. So that IA is, your lordship, 1358 of 26. That is at serial number 326.
Who has to declare the result?
We have to declare the result, but this honorable court has ordered on 26th of March 25.
In the morning,
Who's for the petitioner?
actually, Mr. Alu Bagaricha in the morning has requested to extend the case, my lord, if my lord remembers. Yes, sir.
A request for judgment made on behalf of the petitioner at request list on 9th April.
Your Lordships, I'm appearing in item number 27.5. I pray to withdraw the case, Your Lordships, with the liberty to file a fresh petition if the
Why
case.
fresh petition?
Your Lordships, if the need so arises.
This is Shreya,
Your Lordships, LCH nursing.
14415.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioners, Sonali and Urmila, IA number 161.
Not Urmila, in LCH Nursing Academy. In 14415, Lieutenant Learned Counsel for petitioner seeks leave to withdraw the petition, reserving the right of the petitioner to file a fresh petition if no issue arises in future. In view of the above, petition is dismissed as withdrawn. All rights and contentions of parties are reserved. Then in other matters said, at request of counsel for the petitioner, re-notify on 9th April.
I just point out that I'm appearing for the students in some of the matters in the PIL. But there was an order which was passed, my lord, on 20th of August 25 for, my lord, conducting examinations. And, my lord, the council, my lord, had undertaken to conduct the examination, my lord, within a time-bound frame in 45 days. For that only we have moved. They moved an application for modification. Now since August 25, my lord, these students are of 21-22, my lord. 5 years have passed, exams have not been
So
conducted.
what are you wanting?
My lord, permission was already granted by this honorable court, my lord.
So what do you want?
My lord, now they filed an application for modification of this order.
Council is not there, we'll having it on 9th of April.
My lord, he's the PI list, my lord. We are asked, my lord, the council is here. My lord, nursing council has moved an application.
So 9th of April?
Only
Giving date of 9th April.
No, my lord, counsel for the, my lord, he's the petitioner, my lord, he's in the PIL, my lord. This, my lord, the interveners are the students, my lord. He has a different grievance altogether. My lord, this is it is between the nursing council and the students.
It has been moved in PIL.
Yes, my lord.
I'm sorry for that. There was a separate writ petition which was filed on behalf of certain students. Now in this separate writ petition, there was an order passed regarding the undertaking.
My lord, I filed an intervention application, which is titled as 161. I request your.
We'll have it on 9th of April, then we'll see. Who wants to
My
withdraw?
lord, it's very urgent matter. If you please allow me to.
Sorry?
It's urgent matter. My lord. We have filed an intervention application 161.
Yeah, 1 second, please hold. Yes.
WP 2126, item number 27.12. Yes, I want to withdraw the report.
WP
2126 of 2025.
21126 में learned counsel
DM
for the
does.
वही same order कर देना.
Yes, sir.
In view of the above, application is allowed, petition is dismissed as withdrawn.
Much obliged.
With liberty as prayed for. दोनों में हो जाएगा.
Lordship,
My lord, I would like to attract your attention on IA number 161 in the same matter, where we have moved an intervention application representing two students who are presently studying in HRC. The order dated 21/8/25 has directed them to be moved from unsuited to the suited colleges. So my lord, there is no suited college in HRC and Hoshangabad, and these two students belong to the category of SC, ST and OBC. So it's very difficult for them to go in some other city. So we are requesting a modification in the order dated 21/8/25 to the extent that it affects these two interventions.
No, what is the modification you are seeking? What should be done now?
No, my lord, if there are some suited colleges in HRC and Hoshangabad, they could have been shifted there. But
Now,
since there are no suited colleges,
you say there is none. So what should be done?
no, my lord, another issue is there. They have completed all their 4 years of studies, internal assessment.
In an unrecognized college, unapproved college. So you are saying that their college be approved?
No, my lord, my contention is that since they've completed 4 years of their studies, they have appeared in first year of examination. They have also appeared in the second year of examination. Now the 2 years of examinations are there, for which they have to just appear for the examination.
Mr.
Why to move and for?
Technically, they have not studied a single day.
But
Forget about 4 years, they have not studied a single day in a recognized college.
My lord, why should they pay for the government's lacuna or the lacuna of the institution?
What government
It is
is
their
that?
right. They have already spent so much of time
Yeah, so
studying there.
you want us to recognize these colleges कि अब तो हो गया तो let them continue. That's what you are saying.
There's no question of recognizing. My request is only that they should be allowed to appear in the examination.
And then what
Which can be
happens?
done anywhere.
And then what happens if they qualify the examination?
No, if they qualify the examinations, that is on the basis of the qualification only, because they have undergone the entire internal procedure, my lord.
So then what is the fault of others?
No, there's no fault.
We should scrap this entire process
We are
and
not
permit
asking
everybody
you
to continue.
Recognize the same institution. Our contention is only that they should be allowed to sit in the examination. Third year and
What
fourth
for,
exam.
Mr. Bhagat? Why?
Because my lord, they have completed the entire education.
So?
And they have paid their money, their fees, and they have done and gone through the entire process from the
Anyway,
recognized.
we'll see it on 9th April.
My lord, if we request you some kind of an intervention because the career is at stake now, right now.
What about the lives of people they deal with?
That's
What about lives of those people? That is not important.
the right to education, which these
Right to
people
education
have.
doesn't, all right, you get your education, but you will not be entitled to come into the profession. Not as nurses.
That's right, sir.
Not as nurses. You will have your educational qualification, a degree, but not entitled to come in the profession. Acceptable? Tell us.
No, that's not acceptable. But here the
So
slightly
you are going
different-
to be dealing with human beings in the hospitals, in clinics, in nurses, and everywhere, without qualification.
Right, sir. The college has been recognized on the basis of the infrastructure. But the classes, the people, experts who have come, who have taken their viva.
So there are colleges who didn't have classrooms. Their classes have also been taken place.
Right, sir.
No teachers, no classes, but classes have taken place. Let them sit in the examination.
But the students are paying for the fault of the institution.
Anyway, that we'll consider.
If your lordship may consider our only request, your lordship, as we are facing
Use the mic, please.
your lordship, we are facing the agitation of the students. They are regularly agitating before our office. Your lordship, I am only praying for considering this application for declaring the result. Or if your lordship,
Jose, please tell us one thing. Are they all recognized, approved by you? Declare everything. If they have studied from lawful colleges, which have the infrastructure, come and say so.
lordship, with the permission of this honorable court, they
Forget about permission of this court. Somebody is not studied. There is no college, there is no teacher, nothing. Only paper attendance, paper studies. And you want to recognize them?
lordship, the
Either you as a state should come forward and say, no, sorry, our mistake, they were all fully compliant. On one hand, you say they are not compliant. On the other hand, you say we are worried about the career of these students. What about the lives of the people?
lordship, that is fair. So only the result is withheld, your lordship.
Next one.
Number 28. Jai Nagar Singh Dehra.